All right, so Tuesday is here, which means I'm also here with another tip on Just a Tip Tuesday. Now today, we're gonna talk about shakes. Shakes are everywhere these days. There's recovery shakes, there are protein shakes, there are body mass building shakes, there are meal replacement shakes. Shakes are everywhere, and shakes are great. However, there are a few issues that I see. Now one, just protein shakes, right, that are just pure protein, trying to up that protein in your diet are gross. They are pretty chalky. I don't really think anybody likes to drink those, so let's go ahead and avoid those. Mass building shakes, most of us are here because we're trying to lose some weight, lose some fat, so the mass builders we don't necessarily need, which brings us to meal replacement shakes slash recovery shakes. And I think these are great shakes. They've got a lot of great micronutrients and vitamins and minerals and things that are great for our body. Try to help us get some of those things that we don't get in our foods every day in our recommended daily allowances. So meal replacement shakes are great. Excuse me, got a bit of a head cold. But one of the problems that I do see with meal replacement shakes a lot is that they don't have a lot of protein or enough protein for what you may want. So, one of the big things we're looking for is to get protein to help us feel full. It also helps us, repair muscles. And so what we want to do is get a little more protein in our shakes, but how can we do that and be healthy? And the tip for this Tuesday is egg whites. Bam. Now, I know this sounds kind of gross, right? Some raw egg whites, put them in a shake. But trust me, give this a shot. Just by adding, for these, a third of a tablespoon or a third of a cup in your shake, you're going to get an extra 10 grams of protein. So most of the meal replacement shakes that I've seen have about 15, maybe 20 grams of protein per serving. For me personally, I want to be closer to 30, maybe 35. So just a third a cup of these egg whites. Pop them in the shake when you're putting the milk in. You're going to extra 10 grams of protein, which you're going to up that protein, and it's going to make that meal replacement shake or that recovery shake just a little better for you. So, you can get these. I got these in bulk at I think Sam's Club. A 10-pack of these for like $10. So they don't really cost much, but they are great for you. They're going to add some good protein to those shakes. It's going to keep you healthy. So that is your tip for this Tuesday. We'll see you next time.